I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, enough disk space and the files you want to include. Once confirmed, pick a format based on compatibility versus size, tar. GZ is fast and widely compatible, tar. XZ gives smaller output but is slower. Now start the first actionable step, run tar CZF archive. Tar. GZ/path/to/dir to create a GZIP compressed tarball. This bundles and compresses in one pass. It's efficient and preserves permissions. Make sure to run from the parent directory to keep paths tidy. Once the basic archive exists, refine for quality and performance. You can exclude temporary or large logs using exclude or a patterns file, which reduces size and time. If you need better compression, recompress with XZ-9 for a smaller file, or use pigs to compress with multiple cores when speed matters. For very large archives, split them with split B2G so transfer and storage are easier. Make sure to document the commands used so you can reproduce the exact result. You finish by verifying and testing the archive. List contents with tar TZF archive. Tar, GZ or Computa checksum with SHA-256, some to ensure integrity before deleting originals. To extract, run tar XZF archive. Tar, GZ into a safe target directory or unzip when using zip. If extraction fails, make sure the file wasn't truncated. Try decompressing with GZIP-D or XZD and inspect split pieces. Troubleshooting tip. If corruption occurs, check space, retransfer using rsync partial, and restore from the nearest good backup to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.